News story title: AI's affection for America, a technological embrace or a pattern of data? TLDR. A recent observation highlights that artificial intelligence, AI, is showing preferences towards American content. The news touches on how AI systems have been processing data and patterns that align with American values and interests. Does this inclination towards America demonstrate a bias within AI systems, or is it merely a reflection of the data and trends fed into the machine? In an unexpected reveal, it appears that artificial intelligence is displaying a fondness for American content. But what does this actually mean? Could the AI's love for America be a symbol of technological advancement or merely a pattern recognition based on data input? A fascination with America. The observed preference towards America in AI processing does not imply emotions or patriotism, but rather a trend that can be traced back to the data and algorithms that drive AI systems. Is this a mere coincidence, or is there something deeper at play here? How AI loves. Artificial intelligence functions by recognizing patterns and making predictions based on the data it's provided. As the majority of data may come from American sources, it might be natural for AI to develop a preference or love for American content. But is it fair to call it love when it's merely an algorithm following its programming? Potential bias in AI. The observed trend raises the question of whether there might be unintentional biases in AI systems. These biases can be a result of the data and programming driving the algorithms. Could this American inclination be a reflection of biases present in the technology itself, or merely a result of the data being predominantly from American sources? Implications and questions. The AI's inclination towards American content might lead to questions about fairness and neutrality in the technology. Are we inadvertently shaping AI to favor one culture or nation over others? Is it a problem that needs addressing, or just a curious observation without substantial consequences? The concept of AI's love for America highlights an essential aspect of modern technology, that AI systems are only as unbiased and as fair as the data and algorithms we feed them. It's a reminder that AI doesn't possess emotions, but it can certainly reflect the biases and trends present in its input data. Conclusion: AI's relationship with culture and bias. As we continue to advance and rely on AI, it's critical to ask ourselves whether we are shaping the technology in a way that mirrors our values, biases, or cultural preferences. If AI's love for America is just a reflection of the data, what does that tell us about the data we are using? Are we aware of the unintentional preferences we may be building into our AI systems? Question to provoke discussion: is AI's affection for America a sign of underlying biases in the technology, or is it a harmless pattern that merely reflects the data it's being fed? How can we ensure that our technological advancements remain neutral and unbiased? First seen at Mississippi Valley Publishing,